if you're watching my channel for a longer time, I'm not just talking about how I teach my students how to drive or how to pass the road test. I also talk about the car accessories. I was very excited to receive the email from Highboy. They asked me if I would like to review one of their products. Highboy specialize on electric bikes and electric scooters, but they also have some car accessories. So when they reach out to me, they ask if I would like to review a vacuum and air compressor all in one. Just before we getting into the video, guys, I just want to mention that this video is not sponsored by Highboy. They send me this product for the purpose of this video. So guys, this is what they send me. Highboy air compressor and vacuum all in one. Just before I open this box, I want to share with you something. So before that, I have vacuum that it's not cordless, and also the compressor. So these two things together, I don't need this anymore. I will use just this. When I open the box, guys, I will show you how it looks. All the specs I'm gonna put on the side so you can see. You can buy this product on Amazon right now for $80. These two that I had before, I spent over $150 together for the air compressor and for the vacuum. After 2 weeks that I use, this part just simply broke, as you can see. So one thing will replace this two. Now, I'm gonna open the box and I'm gonna show you what is inside. All the attachments, it's already here. It's portable, it's rechargeable, so you don't need to plug the wire like I did before to vacuum my car. Usually, I vacuum my car every week, and right now, after I was so excited to receive this, right now I probably will do this more often. So let's open the box, see what is inside, and we're gonna go from there. Just imagine, this is the Highboy air compressor and the vacuum. Just this, guys, that's it. That's the one. So compared to what I have before, the compressor, the air compressor, and the vacuum. Now I'm gonna use just this. I will give you my honest opinion about that, but I just gonna share with you a couple things before I'm gonna use it. So here is the vacuum. You just attach like this. Very simple, very light, not heavy, and very portable. Now, the compressor, you plug in over here. I will show you the attachments. And also, guys, this is how it looks when you turn on. You press this button, you hold it, and that's it. After I opened the box, I was actually very impressed. There are so many accessories for the air compressor and also for the vacuum that I didn't have before. I will leave all the information here so you can see on your own. And if you're planning to buy this product in the future, I will leave the link in the description. And now, guys, let's talk about the air compressor. So guys, let's review this product now. This is the air compressor and the vacuum all in one from Highboy. For now, guys, I'm gonna disconnect the vacuum, and as you can see, it's so easy to take this out, and we're gonna talk about just this part. Look how small it is, very light compared to what I had before. I can handle with one hand. It's very, very comfortable, guys, trust me. So now, let's talk about why do we need this, right? So number one, if you have that, you can always check the tire pressure. And why we checking the tire pressure? Because of the fuel efficiency. As you can, if you drive on the highway, you can see there is on the board, on big board, the information board, it's always say, check your tires. So if you have this, it's very easy. You don't have to go to any gas station. You don't need to go to your mechanic to check, and it's going to save your money in the pump. I'm gonna show you now how to, where to find what your car needs to have. Also, guys, how to do this. It's very simple and easy if you have this small, comfortable in your car. On top of that, we're gonna talk about the vacuum. So let's get outside and I'm gonna show you where you can find how much your car needs to have PSI. So now we're gonna check our tire and loading information, and where we can find this, we can find it here. For each car, it's going to be in the pillar of the door, and that's where you can find out. For example, my car needs 32 PSI. As you can see, this is the size of the tires, and here is the PSI. So let's check one of my tires and see if the PSI is exactly what the manufacturer is from the Honda, if it's correct. The air tube, we're just simply connecting here. Guys, I want to mention another thing, that you have also flashing lights. So in case you are having a tire problem or you have a flat tire during the night, you can also use the flashing light. So let's get it over here. And as I said before, my car is a Honda Civic 2017. The PSI in the tire is supposed to be 32. Let's see what this Highboy Inflator air compressor will show us. I'm turning on. It's on right now. And as you can see, I already set up to 32 PSI. So let's see if that will be correct, or we need to put more air. And now guys, I usually check every month. So right now it shows me 30. Supposed to be 32. So I will simply add air to the tire to make sure that all the tires will be at the same PSI. So let's pop. From 30 PSI, we're gonna go to 32. Let's see how long it's gonna take us to do 2 PSI in this tire. Right now, it's still the same. So we're gonna wait and see when it's gonna reach, and it's supposed to be automatically to shut down. So it's now 30.5. And the best part, as I said, you can do it on your own. So now it's 32. Let's see if when it's gonna shut down. Done. So as soon as it's reached it, as soon as it reached 32, you don't have to turn it off. You wait until it's gonna shut down by himself. So that's took about what, 30 seconds, and it's done. So let's take this out, and I will go to the next tire to see if it's the same PSI, the same pressure on the tire PSI like this one that I just did. So let's go to the back tire. So that was the front tire. This is the back tire. So let's see what this is gonna show us. So right now, it shows me 30, exactly the same 30. So that means that it's not enough air. So what I have to do is simply to put the air. That's it. So guys, if you have this, you're never gonna be having a trouble. I actually like it. It's again, it's comfortable and light. So far with the air inflator is amazing. So now guys, let's talk about the vacuum. I'm very excited about the vacuum because I had the one that it was not portable, and it was hardly for me to reach to the places that I was trying to reach. So a couple of things I want to mention, and I'm going to put over here what it comes for the vacuum part. There is a 2 long handle that you can just attach, right? And then there is a brush, and it's all done. That's it. You don't need to do anything extra. It's very easy. Again, it's nice to handle, it's nice to hold. So now guys, I'm going to show you how it works on the vacuum. And again guys, if you would like to buy this product, I will leave the link in the description. So there is a 2 speeds on the vacuum. Let's talk about the vacuum now. First one, and there is another one. So as you can see, it's changing, and I feel that it's going to get more from if you're going on the second one. So let's get inside. I just want to show you what I have, some dust inside, just for you to see. And now I'm gonna be just vacuum. Look at that. Nicely pick up everything. And as you can see, it doesn't take time. And the best part of it, I can reach further than I could before. As you can see, guys, nicely done. I like it. It works. And now I will take this out and I'm gonna just use inside. So let me shut this down for a second. I will take the carpet out. So let's try to do straight to the carpet. As you can see, there is some stuff on the carpet. Let's put the first one, see how it goes. Nicely picks up everything what I don't need in my car, dust, and I'm gonna show you how easy to access to the places that it was very difficult for me was before, because the handle is long and I'm gonna show you in the end how much this vacuum just took out. Very nice. I love it, especially this part, very difficult to get in. So guys, look at that, how much hair it's in the car. And I'm gonna disconnect, and by just simple click I can show you guys how much debris I can took from the car just right now. So hi boy, good job. I want to show you another thing that was very difficult for me to reach. So now, before I had a problem to get into this part, to the trunk, and now with this portable high boy, I will show you guys how easy it is to access to the places with this just small, portable, comfortable vacuum. So I'm gonna put the 1 speed, and as you can see here, we have some debris. So I'm just gonna clean it, very simple, and it's light and it's comfortable to hold, and it's accessing all the places. So guys, what would I say about the high boy? Air compressor, perfect. It's convenient, it's comfortable. Vacuum is just a bonus. It's a portable, comfortable. So what I want to say thank you to Highboy to sending me this amazing product that I will use, and I will recommend to my students that they're planning to buy something like this. And also, I just want to say big thank you to Lisa from Highboy Marketing Management to send me this and to do this video for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.